Dryland farming and watershed management are integrated approaches for agriculture in low rainfall areas, focused on conserving soil moisture and improving water management. Dryland farming uses techniques like minimum tillage, mulching, and drought-resistant crops to boost crop yields by maximizing the use of limited water. Watershed management treats a watershed as a hydrological unit, implementing measures like contour farming, soil conservation, and water harvesting to control erosion, restore degraded lands, and ensure water availability for agriculture, leading to sustainable production in these fragile ecosystems. Dryland farming. 1. Definition. Cultivation of crops in areas receiving low and erratic rainfall, typically less than 750 mm annually, without reliance on irrigation. 2. Key principles. Moisture conservation. The primary goal is to retain as much rainfall as possible in the soil for crop use. Drought tolerance. Focuses on selecting or breeding crops that can withstand dry conditions or grow during favorable periods to avoid drought. 1. Techniques. Contour farming. Planting crops along the land's contours to slow water runoff and increase infiltration. Minimum, zero tillage. Reducing or eliminating soil disturbance to improve soil structure, reduce evaporation, and prevent moisture loss. Mulching. Covering the soil surface with organic or inorganic materials to reduce soil temperature and minimize water evaporation. Crop selection. Choosing drought-resistant crop varieties, e.g., millets, sorghum, that require less water or have deep roots to access moisture. Contingency planning. Planning for unpredictable rainfall patterns by preparing for potential drought or excessive rain conditions. Watershed management. 1. Definition. The management and development of a geohydrological unit, watershed, that drains to a common point, controlling runoff, soil erosion, and water quality. 2. Goals. Water and soil conservation. Preventing soil erosion and retaining rainwater for productive use. Sustainable production. Enhancing soil fertility and improving crop and fodder production to ensure food and nutritional security. Environmental restoration. Rehabilitating degraded lands and protecting ecosystems within the watershed. Groundwater recharge. Increasing the infiltration of rainwater to replenish groundwater sources. 1. Integrated approach. Soil conservation. Implementing measures like deep tillage, stubble mulching, and contour bunding to protect the soil. Water harvesting. Capturing and storing runoff for future use, such as in check dams, ponds, and tanks. Agroforestry and pasture management. Integrating trees and fodder grasses with crops to stabilize soil, improve soil fertility, and provide multiple benefits. Relationship between dryland farming and watershed management. These two concepts are complementary, as watershed management provides the necessary environmental framework for successful dryland farming. By improving water availability and soil health within a watershed, it creates more stable conditions for dryland farmers to adopt moisture-conserving agricultural practices. Dryland farming is vital for food production, supporting millions in India by cultivating drought-resistant crops like millets, pulses, and oilseeds in arid and semi-arid regions with low rainfall. Watershed management enhances this by focusing on water harvesting and soil conservation to maximize moisture retention and productivity in these dry areas, ensuring ecological balance and improving the livelihoods of rural populations dependent on rain-fed agriculture. Dryland farming. Key aspects and importance. 1. Definition. Cultivation without reliable irrigation in areas receiving low and unpredictable rainfall. 2. Importance in India. Food security. A significant contributor to India's food basket, especially for staples like millets, pulses, and oilseeds. Rural livelihoods. Sustains a large portion of India's rural population who depend on agriculture for their income. Nutritional security. Promotes the growth of nutritious and drought-resistant crops, combating malnutrition in dryland regions. Equal balance. Promote sustainable land management through practices that conserve soil and water. 1. Drought-resistant crops. Millets, jowar, bajra, ragi, groundnuts, pulses, oilseeds, and cotton are commonly grown. 2. Key challenges. Moisture stress due to erratic rainfall, limited water storage, poor soil quality, and market challenges for dryland crops. Watershed management, its role. 1. Integrated approach. An approach that involves managing and developing all available land and water resources within a defined watershed. 2. Focus areas. Water harvesting. Implementing structures like farm ponds and check dams to collect rainwater for supplemental irrigation. Soil conservation. Techniques such as mulching, contouring, and windbreaks to prevent soil erosion and retain soil moisture. Sustainable farming practices. Promoting crop diversification, integrated nutrient management, and appropriate cropping systems to enhance soil health and productivity. 1. Goals. To maximize productivity, ensure ecological sustainability, and improve the overall resilience of dryland farming systems.